hear her voice like tornado warning chimes. It is Limestone Bluff, still alive. Limestone clinks at water's edge. Each clink, a tone from creation's ghostly voice. Mortal voice, inaudible. Murmur that keeps the wind, that plasters spring moisture onto the walls of cliffs. It is the smell of mud and liver, and hails that bring forth gusts from inside the earth. She doesn't cry. Her mind's footsteps still carry her across the gift. She still hums the songs, covers her eyes at gravesites, stares across behind folded arms into the precision of past events. The ceremony, her voice, when the giveaway was the beginning of life.